So just a really quick video today of the harvest, and I've left most of it inside, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what we've got going on. I had to do it outside today because the house is a wreck because we're having new floors fitted and stuff. So yeah, we've got the last of the winter squash, but plenty of courgettes, as you'll see in a minute. These are the new potatoes. These are the Winston early baking potatoes. Not too bad, not brilliant. Lovely cauliflower, but we've also broken the cauliflowers up as well. I'll show you those in a minute. And yeah, red onions from the store. Still quite a lot of onions in the store actually, but I've got onions ready on the allotment now. Asparagus, that's starting to slow down a bit now, so I probably will stop picking that pretty soon. Parsley, one of many herbs. Beetroot from the store, so we've still got lots of nice beetroot in store, but it doesn't really compare now with the fresh beetroot. I think this is the last pick, near enough, of the garlic, the green garlic, and obviously we're on to mature garlic pretty soon. Actually, we could start picking it now, but it's still going to grow for another few weeks before it starts splitting. And then I think I've got 8 of these mixed calabrese and cauliflower tubs, and I must have about 20 salad tubs with tomatoes. Finally, first pick of the tomatoes from the greenhouse, and yeah, and cucumbers obviously, and peas and things like that, lots of those. And courgettes, they're looking pretty good now. We're in courgette abundance from both the polytunnel and the greenhouse. Cucumbers as well, carrots of course, little tiny Savoy cabbage heads, but really lovely ones coming next week. And then loads of these. I think I've got 4 tubs of mixed kale and cabbage, broad beans underneath here, and sugar snap peas, and the spinach. This isn't such good spinach, but this is the Mikado. It's really lovely, so I've only got 2 tubs of that this week. So that is it. That is the harvest for the family, local family, every week of the year.